So yun guys, pabalik na kami sa aming cruise ship. We're done for the day. Gracias, Cozumel. We'll see you guys later. Logo. Other guys, how's it going? Paalis na kami ng Cozumel, Mexico. And it's 6:80 na ng gabi. May isa pa kaming araw dito. It's just a sea day before going to Miami. So, ngayong araw na to, pupunta kami sa buffet instead of fine dining. Kasi hindi pa namin talaga natatry yung buffet. And check namin kung masarap ba yung mga food na nandun. So, punta kami ngayon na Windjammer. See ya!
Like it's dynamite. I told you twice. We gon' light this up like it's dynamite.
Good morning, day 5! It's our last day of cruise ship. Actually, meron pa bukas pero that's the disembarkment day, right?
Yeah, uwian na.
Uwian na. So, ito yung Friday na hindi kami masaya. Kailangan namin sulitin yung buong araw na to.
Sea day lang today.
Sea day and Royal Caribbean night. So, yun ang i-feature namin sa araw na ito. So, marami kaming activities na pupuntahan. So, pupunta kami sa Windjammer to have our breakfast. So, see ya guys!
Stay tuned.
Breakfast of champion to French toast, bacon, egg, sashimi, tapos may cream cheese, sibuyas na insan, and salami. Tapos
So right now walang katao-tao kasi busy sila sa breakfast. Kaya maglalaro ako. Saan ba ang purse? Hindi marunong.
Another spectacular weather day outside.
Okay. Hi guys, it's our last night here. Hi guys! It's Arabian night, so ito ang team. Alright guys, see ya!
Bye!
Sail!
Light up this whole town. I haven't seen it in a while. Girl like that, she wears high heels.
Okay, it's our last dinner here. So, tapos na kami mag-dinner ngayon. As you can see guys, yun nga, kumakain kami by the sea. So, social, diba? Ngayong gabi, itatry namin gawin lahat ng mga natitira activities maaari. Good morning guys, ready na kami mag-check out. Alright, we're all set. Bye-bye! Nakalabas na kami ng ship, waiting for our lift. Check-in muna kami sa hotel dahil matagal pa yung flight namin. So kami ngayon sa 4 Points, Fort Lauderdale, Dania Beach, and malapit lang siya sa airport. We're going home, back to reality. So, maghihintay na lang kami ng aming flight.